Hi guys, this is Steffanie and welcome to Designs by Steffanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Click on it all on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I'm just going to do a regular studio vlog for you guys. I have an order, a vinyl order, it's not a big order, and then I have a t-shirt. My dad asked me to make him a t-shirt. He said it was his favorite t-shirt and it's old and got a hole in it, and my stepmom threw it in the trash, so he sent me a picture. I put the picture up here, and so I mocked up the little thing. It's from that movie. I have never seen. If I seen the movie, I don't remember the movie. But it's a Kevin Costner movie. I think the movie may have been called Tin Cup. But he asked me to remake him a shirt. He was like, get my stepmom to send me a picture of it so that I can see it. And I'm like, yeah, I can mock it up somehow and remake it. So it's not identical to the shirt, but it's close enough. But I put it on those sheets, those what are they called? Let's see. Okay. These other ones here that I got the other day. What are they called? The 3G opaque heat transfer paper. These, I put it on one of those, but I put it on just a regular 8x10 one because it wasn't a big print. As you see on the screen, it's just showing, it just had the logo on the back, and then it had a little logo right here on the chest area. So I just made a few different sizes of them, put it on here, and I had the little machine to cut them out. So I'm just going to fit them to the shirt, and I put 4 different ones on here because I wasn't real sure of the size, and he wears a 2X t-shirt, so hopefully it works. I mean, he likes it. So I got a 2X shirt here, and guys, I made my own little things. They're not staying on there though because they're too short, but I made my own little tags for my shirts. And I'm sticking them on there just so for like when I do inventory, I don't have to go through and well, I stack them by size, but still I just made them on there. And then like when I ship them, first I made these little teeny round ones, and I stick them on the outside of the packages. I might start selling those on my shop because people might make t-shirts that may not have a silhouette or something. Well, they would, I guess, if they're making t-shirts because they have to cut it out. They may not. They may have a sublimation. I don't know. But I might start selling those in case people want making shirts or something and they want those. I make them for myself. And these, I think I'm going to make these a little bit longer. But I fold my t-shirts and keep them stacked. But I think I'm going to start hanging them. So I think I'll put those on there. Anyway, the logo goes on the back here. So I think I made it the perfect size just to place on the back. I couldn't tell how wide it was, but it looked like it was only as wide as the crew of the neck here. You know, that wide, so I didn't make it too terribly wide. So I think that was going to fit, you know, perfectly on there. But I had to mock up. I used the font, the Times font, because it looked about the same. And I just took the old logo and blew it up and just layered everything on top of each other. And then I made the little thing because the shirt was so old. And then I looked online and tried to find one, and I couldn't. So I just mocked it up in silhouette. Didn't use no fancy software because I never really do that. I just pretty much do just about everything in Procreate and Silhouette that I have to do as far as making stickers and what have you. And my TV is on, and I didn't even turn the volume down, but it's a commercial, so let me turn it down. I have to have background noise, and it may still pick up because this camera picks up well. I don't even have to use a mic with this camera. I love the camera itself. It takes decent quality, but it only takes for like 10-11 minutes and then it cuts off, which if it takes longer than that I will be so happy, but it does not. Anyway, that's it. All that I have to do today. My shirt, I have one vinyl order, and oh, I have another t-shirt order, so I may show that. Actually, I have 2 t-shirt orders, so I may show that. I may do it tomorrow because today is not supposed to be a studio vlog. Tomorrow is, but I'm gonna do a studio vlog today anyway because it's my channel. That's what I want to do. Anyway, oh, and what else did I do? Oh, I made my new logo in my video yesterday for my Etsy shop, my banner. So I made new stickers for the holiday. And when I printed them, I'm like, these things look like garbage. But I forgot I had changed my print settings back to default because I was printing something I didn't want to use up a lot of ink. So they're printed and they're not on high quality. So they don't look all that good, but they don't look all that bad. They look good enough for me to use them, so I'm going to use them. I don't waste money. So comment below and let me know if you guys change your logo and your banner on your Etsy shop for the holidays. I thought it was cute to make it Christmas. I'm ready to put up my tree. I know it ain't Thanksgiving yet, but I think because this year has been such crap, I just feel like I need to put up my tree. What you guys think? Have y'all put y'all tree up yet? Comment below and let me know. Are you thinking about it? When do you usually put it up? Do you wait till Thanksgiving? I swear I think I'm going to put my tree up this weekend. And it's what? The middle of November? I don't care about Thanksgiving. I'm not traveling. I'm not going anywhere. I want to go see my dad, but I don't want to get on a plane, and I definitely don't want to drive 11 hours, so I'm not going to do that. So anyways, I'm going to make my vinyl and then make my shirt, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, I finished this shirt, and this is the little emblem on the front, the small one, and then that is the bigger one that's on the back. Came out really good. I really like it. I think he'll be pleased with it. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. Anyway. Alright, now I'm going to cut my vinyl for my order, and then I'm going to cut my vinyl for my other 2 shirts too, I think. So, stay tuned for that. What else? I don't know. It's been a long day, so I'm just starting up this evening, and I'm tired and sleepy and ready to go to bed. So, might not be a long vlog at all, but whatever. Okay guys, I finished my shirt and I packaged up my vinyl. I tried my new envelope and everything. They fit in there just perfect, and I'm covered with the address. And it fit on the envelope just perfect. A little bit overlay, but I think I'm going to pull it down just a little bit some more, flip over to the back so it's just not that little teeny bit, so I won't get stuck on stuff. But I think I'm going to like these, how they look. It didn't give me any difference in the price, so the price is still the same, but I still like the little small envelope. So that is it. I didn't make the other 2 shirts. I don't feel like it, so I'm going to make them tomorrow. Or I'm not going to film because I need to edit this video and get this up. because I'm doing a video every day and I don't have any content. I'm redoing my office, but I can't show that until I get a little bit more organized because it looks like crap. But I'm gonna show that. If y'all want to see an office tour, studio tour, whatever you want to call it, comment below and let me know. I probably will get finished with it this weekend, so if I do, then I'll make a video on it. But I have a few more things left to do, and I got crap just pulled out everywhere because I'm trying to take stuff out of my closet and get that organized and move some stuff to another closet in another room in my, what is that room called? My gym. I had a bunch of stuff in there. I keep my big boxes like to my printers and stuff. So I don't throw those away because when I move, I usually put them back in the boxes so I save out the container that they come in so that they don't get damaged. So yeah, I have those boxes, but I need to go through and see what boxes I have of old stuff that I need to throw in the garbage and what I need to keep because I'm a box hoarder. Anybody else out there box hoarder, comment below and let me know because I'm really truly a box hoarder. I save boxes for everything. I buy a lot of stuff from Costco and I may have to take it back, so I save the box because I take it back in the box. I know they accept some things without the box, but especially like electronic stuff, yeah, I save the boxes for those. So anyway, I'm close. I'm about 60% with my office. I just need to finish a little bit, and I'm trying to decide if I want to put a decal on my wall or not because I'm thinking of moving. I say that every month. I'm thinking of moving, so I don't know if I want to go ahead. I don't know if I want to put a decal stencil on the wall or not. I'll decide when I finish. If I don't move, then I want to decal this back wall and then color it, make it an accent wall and color it another color. And I might want to put that chalkboard paint on it, on that wall, or I might do this wall directly in front of me with chalkboard paint so that I can use it for notes and what have you related to editing stuff. And like, well, I might do this wall. This one's probably better, so when I'm doing videos and taping and filming, I can write what I need up on the wall and I can glance up at it and see it as I'm filming, and it probably works out better. That's probably what I do if I keep it. I like my office size. This is not the biggest room besides the master. I think my guest room is bigger than this bedroom, but it's a pretty decent sized room. So anyway, that's it of me rambling for today. Thank you guys for stopping by. I know it wasn't a lot on here. I just had some vinyl orders and then my dad's t-shirt, but I hope he really likes it. He don't watch my videos. My dad's not, he's older, so he doesn't use the computer and stuff unless my stepmom shows it to him. She might, because sometimes she shows him my videos and he watches them, but I think he watches more of my other channel or my cooking videos. I don't think they look at this channel, but he may, I don't know. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.